welcome back to my channel, guys. It's been such a long time that I've been able to post any kind of good content, or even for that matter record new content in the last couple of months. Ever since I've been back from Dubai, I've been occupied with so many different things. First of all, I shifted houses, and then I was involved in a lot of other different projects and everything like that. So finally I've gotten the time, and I am able to finally go on to another adventure. I'm currently going to be traveling to a Southeast Asian country, and it's a very considered to be one of the most amazing countries, culturally very rich countries, and this is something that I've always been wanting to do since a very long time. So apparently my flight is supposed to be tomorrow morning, and like tomorrow night, and today it's almost like the 7th of October, and it is literally 3 in the morning, and I have still not yet started with my packing. But yes, this country that I'm traveling to, I got a very good deal. I'm going to tell you about how much the flight costed me, and probably once I'm done with the entire trip, I'm also going to give you a little bit of a breakdown कि मतलब कहाँ पे कितना spend हुआ है, and how much did I spend for my accommodations, how much did I spend for my bus travel, how much did I spend for my internal city travel, via flight and things like those. And I also plan to book a couple of tours as well, and I'm gonna be obviously documenting most part of it. So that is something that I'm also gonna talk about and give you guys a basic understanding. So the idea behind all of this entire video is majorly gonna be to enable somebody like you, or probably one of your friends, or anybody who might be traveling to this particular country, and it will give you I'm gonna try my best to give you a very in-depth information about the whole country, the whole vibe of it. We are gonna be doing a lot of different things. You guys, a little bit of heads up, this airline that I'm flying to, this airline has a baggage limit. Okay, so the maximum baggage that I'm allowed to carry is only 7 kgs, and that is a cabin luggage that you can carry with you in your flight. So सिर्फ 7 किलो का allowance है, so I have to be very tight, and I have to break it down in a such a way कि I only carry everything which is only and only very essential. I'm planning to just pack कि मेरा basic idea है कि I'm just gonna pack for like 5-6 days. 5 days probably. It's gonna be a 9 to 10 day long trip, and everything is going to be mostly essential. Then I plan to just do my laundry, and then probably repeat the same clothes. So that's the basic idea. Now coming back to packing, this is the bag that I'm going to be using for my journey. It's a bag with a limit of I think 70 liters or something like that. And this was basically a gift to me on one of my birthdays, and it was such a beautiful gift that I literally appreciate it, because I've been always just doing a lot of backpacking that I could use to go on to treks and everything like that. So I got this as a gift, and the major thing about this bag is that I haven't even traveled with this bag even to one destination. This bag has been to Leh Ladakh. This bag has been to Ajmer Sharif. This bag has also been to the Char Dham Yatra, which happens basically in Uttarakhand and everything. So this bag has traveled much more than me in the last 3 years. And finally I get to travel with this particular bag now. Let me just give you a quick update about what all I'm actually going to be packing. So yeah, that's the denim jacket that I'm going to be carrying. That's my backpack. This is probably something that I'm planning to wear, and then some caps, some perfumes, and then this is basically my bag from Expo. Like it has a lot of goodies that I got from there. Those are my shades again, and then some t-shirts. Probably I'm just planning to pack like 5 or 6 of them, and then probably some other wears as well. And then this is like one of the most important bags. This is always going to be stuck to my chest. In this I'm going to be carrying all of my important documents and everything. So yeah. Finally, it's 4 a.m. I've almost gotten done with my packing because I had already sorted out my clothes during the evening. Okay, this is what I want to be carrying, this is what I want to leave behind, and all my toiletries, all my phone chargers, and anything, all my documents and everything had also needed to be sorted out, and then all my toothbrush, my toothpaste and everything like that. So everything is seems to be looking fine. I am yet to weigh my bag. Like, I really hope that it does not really exceed 7 kgs, and then I also have to pick up a few things from different stores, including a few meds. I mean, just like painkillers and probably a few band-aids, and just like the precautionary stuff. So probably once that is done, I think I'm gonna be good to go, and then I'm gonna keep you posted about the whole of Vietnam series. So make sure that you guys watch, stay tuned, and just because in case you never know what might actually be somewhat insightful or useful to you. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next vlog.